had a bird on the roof here of the building. Very pretty chirping, singing his little heart out. It's pretty loud. I probably would have been caught up on this video, but we can take off. Alright, pretty sure I see his little plan here. So now if he takes the bishop, I got that covered. If he takes the knight, I've got that covered. Oh, cool. We might steal a Gauss trap. Yeah, I see where he's going with this. See, what he's probably going to do is this. Now, if I were him, I'd actually go for the bishop. I'm going to go for it. Stick with the Baroque style chess. Typical main line here in this French defense. We see stuff like this. And this is usually a good idea. What this does is it sometimes even get away with that. Yeah, not really, but see, you can give a check on the open file sometimes. Surprised he didn't take the pawn. I think I know why. he wants this. So I'm gonna simply play that, and I could castle kingside unless if he plays this, I won't be able to castle kingside, but that's fine because I did have an intention of castling queenside. Situations like that are pretty good for me, a good position. Slowly work this pawn down the board. I'll get to the back rank before he'll get to my home rank with that passed pawn. Yeah, I messed up this one. I've won games being down like that, 2 points, a rook for a bishop. Well, he got a rook, I got a bishop. Alright, now that he moved that knight, I can advance this pawn, because that was the only thing supporting my pawn at e4. Now, if I were him, I might try something like this. So if I take that, it's now got a checkmate. Almost. Check. Check. Yeah, I can still wiggle around, it looks like. So that's actually the last gear tag, to be quite honest with you. But it doesn't get him out of trouble just yet, because I still have that skewer. And now if he tries something like this, I can play that. Now what he can do is this now. So it looks like he did kind of wiggle his way out of it. That's unfortunate. Thought I was going to get something there. Give him some credit for finding it out. Oh, bugger. I should have known better. Now I lost my queen in this game. That's a blunder. I've been making an unfortunate number of blunders as of late. What you gonna do? You know, you have your good days, you have your bad days, just like anything else in life. That's what I really love about chess. It's actually a pretty authentic representation of life. I'm gonna castle finally. Okay, try that. Now he can do something like this. Well, that's actually not that good for him because I'll just take the knight. Here we go, seeing people try that again. Alright, I'm still aiming to win a rook here. Ooh. That would be very good for him to do. I didn't think of that. I thought he'd come back there. If he does that, I can win the rook. I still can't. Wasting time thinking I could win the rook here. Now if he does that, that would be good for me. Because that would win both rooks. He steps back here. Come in close. Now we're kind of back in that same situation. Now I probably should just take a rook out. See what he does. Giving him opportunities to make mistakes. That's kind of a strategy. You know, in chess you have tactics and you have strategy. Or strategies. Your tactics are forks, pins, skewers. Yeah, he found a checkmate in one. Well, So, that's going to be a checkmate. As is this. So, I think it's only buying me time. I can do that. Well, here's still a checkmate. Well, I'll do this because, like I said, maybe he will fail to find the checkmate. It's a major bummer, man. Oh, sorry. Take that opportunity to stack pawns at the very least. Alright. Catch you later.